All right, how's it going, guys? It is an early Saturday, June morning here. I'm actually in the fishing spot that I posted my first smallmouth catch of this year, 2022. And back then I was fishing in early March. We just had a little bit of rain that day. Water was super high, it was kind of cold. But today I'm in the summer, the water is lower and it's nice outside. So I'm hoping today's gonna be a really good fishing day. There are a bunch of really good fishing areas upstream here and good areas with rapids that I want to try out when the water's not so murky. So I haven't caught some Mondo monster smallmouth in the creeks in a pretty long time. It's been, I mean, maybe the last one I caught was in a video I posted in like mid-May, somewhere around there. Monster smallmouth for me in the creeks is around 2 pounds, so let's see if I can get some of those. All right, I'm gonna start waiting and hopefully we have some good fishing. Stay tuned for the action. So I'm going to start off with a 4-inch Kitech here. This worked pretty well in a creek where I was catching really smallmouth and they're still able to get this. So I'm gonna keep this on. I got a little, I think an 1/8 ounce screw lock jig head here. So these swim baits lock into here pretty good. As long as, you know, the tail lasts, this swim bait will last a little bit. Okay, I had a bite. Oh yeah, that's a good smallmouth. There's one hanging out right on the bank here. Wow, yes, there we go. What a start. Look at that. That is a good creek smallmouth. Probably getting close to a pound, 3/4 of a pound. That's exactly what we're looking for. Ones like this and even bigger. Awesome start. There's definitely more in this little pocket here, so I'm gonna toss this guy back in. I'm seeing private property signs, but it's for this property to my right, so I'm gonna try to stay on this left side because I don't think they own the same property. Yes, that's a good one. Again, not absolute monster size, but good one. All right, look at that guy. We are having an extremely solid day so far. Lots of bites, active fish. I'm not even in the prime spots I wanted to get to yet. Look how long this guy is. Probably, I don't know, 13, 14 inches. Nice. Like I said, this creek, I mean, the majority of smallmouth you're gonna catch are pretty big ones. That's awesome. Love that. There's a nice set of rapids coming up, but I'm just casting along some of these tree roots here and seeing if there's any smallmouth hanging out. Usually the really hungry ones are gonna be near those rapids, but sometimes you can get some pretty good ones near structure along one side of the creek. All right, I'm gonna try calling my shot here. I'm gonna cast to the left of this little rock pier thing. Let's see if there's a smallmouth hanging out there because we're getting close to current. Oh yeah, that's a really good smallmouth there. I'm gonna need to get my net out for this. This one feels really strong. Yep. Come on, buddy. Come on in here. Come on. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. That is a big, big smallmouth. Oh boy. Okay. This is exactly what I wanted. Exactly. I mean, the other two I caught were big, but this thing is a tank. Holy crap. Right next to that pier, just like I said. Took a few casts, but there was one right over there. Oh yeah, look at that guy. Nice. That's definitely above a pound. Probably like, I don't know, pound and a quarter maybe. Oh my gosh, that's an awesome smallmouth. I think I need to retie and put on a new Kitech swim bait. Look at that. Awesome. Gotta put this guy in quietly because there's definitely more smallmouth around here. Awesome. What a day so far. What a day. Still not even in the best spots. I think we got our first tiny smallmouth. Yeah, wow. I didn't think I was gonna get a tiny smallmouth. There we go. This is what I'm used to catching in the small creeks. Man, I was gonna title this video, "This creek has only big smallmouth in it," but can't do that anymore. Wow. I'll take it though. I'll take one this size any day. These Kitechs are not very sturdy, but they work well. Might need to get some big Joshy swim baits if you guys know what those are. Oh yeah, that's a good one. All the way on the bank over there. He wasn't even on the falls or near the rapids really. Man, that was a far catch. He's swimming pretty hard. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a really, really nice one. All right guys, check out this guy. He might be the biggest so far today. Look how long he is. That's awesome. Like I said, I'm not even at the best part yet. Wow. Sometimes the parts that don't always look the best end up producing some of the biggest fish. That is beautiful. I'd say this guy is a little bit over a pound, potentially. Really, really nice fish. There's another bass right in that same area. Oh no, lost him. Oh, he took off my swim bait, man. These Kitechs are kind of crappy, geez. All right, everybody. Now, on this channel, every time I overhype a good area, like a good set of rapids or something, it doesn't always work out. But I'm coming across some of the best set of rapids that I've ever seen, like tucked away. You have this area of fast moving water, and there's kind of like a big elevation change over here. Nothing crazy, like it's not stopping fish from swimming upstream, but it just creates a really good deep pool with some really good rapids. And I saw this when I was fishing here in early spring, and I even got bites then when the water was murky and cold. So I am expecting big things, and literally big things, in this stretch coming up. So I'm gonna try to work it all over the place. I do think there's gonna be lots of fish over here, and based off of what I've caught so far today, there could be some really big ones. So let's see what happens. Yep, already lost them. I didn't. Oh man. Well, there's fish. There's fish in this hole. Yeah, I got him. I got him through the mouth, but he escaped. There's another. I don't know if it's bigger or smaller. Maybe like similar size. Let's get this guy in. Maybe this is a largemouth. Nope, this is another smallmouth. Nothing crazy. Pretty good though. All right, guys, we got a little half pounder here. Maybe, yeah, probably half pound. He's pretty thick though. He's eating well. Just another beautiful smallmouth. This is turning into one of my best days already. One of the best days numbers wise for this creek. I've been here a few times and haven't even caught anything. So this is amazing. Another one? Oh man, this one feels bigger. Might be bigger. Let's get him in. Come on, buddy. Yeah, I think this one's a little bit bigger actually. All right, here we go. This one is a little bit bigger. Maybe a little bit, not sure. Man, they are crazy. I mean, I caught this guy literally in the exact same spot that I caught that last one, and he wasn't scared or didn't run off. Like I said, I'm not even at those rapids yet. Maybe most of the fish are like right before the rapid start. See, there's another one right there. Yep. Oh my gosh, this hole is loaded. I'm gonna end up blowing it up here. Yeah, another about the same size. All right, this is a little smaller than the last two, but holy crap, they're everywhere. This is incredible to see. Oh my gosh, another one. Another fish. I literally just cast it after that last one. Oh, lost him. It was a small one. We got another one. I can't tell how big. Oh, about average, what we've been seeing. Man, they're all super strong. Ooh, we got a dark one here. Okay, look at this guy. He's got some poop hanging down. Look how bronze colored that is. That's freaking beautiful. My gosh, he looks a little beat up though, but he's doing well. That is a true bronze back right there. Wow, that is sweet. It's to the point now where I have to retie my knot. I do not want to risk losing a huge smallmouth. All right, there are the rapids. There's gotta be fish stacked up over there. There's gotta be. We got a little guy, but I was expecting something much bigger over there. Okay, hungry little guy. He's got quite a belly on him. I mean, numbers wise, we're doing really well, but I was expecting to catch a lot more huge smallmouth. All right, well, I'm gonna move on. I mean, this was like a good spot. I got one fish, but I got a bunch of little taps by, I think, little tiny fish. So, I don't know. I'll probably come back here. There could be big fish there anytime. But I'm gonna continue upstream now. I always overhype these rapids. It ended up being a really good hole, but it was better kind of at the beginning of it. Okay, well, there's at least one in this hole. I had a feeling there had to be something. Oh, buddy, you went straight on the rocks. Ooh, he's a dark guy. All right, well, I was expecting something a little bit bigger in that hole. Look at that guy. Going back in. I don't even know the number today. This is awesome. All right, now I'm getting to the spot where I caught my first smallmouth of the year. So I'm expecting there to be some good stuff. There's a beaver straight ahead though, so I hope he doesn't spook any fish. He's carrying a stick around right now. We got one. Nothing crazy again, but it's a bass. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is a strong one. Look at that guy. Not a bad size. All right. Here is the new color for the swim bait I'm going to use. So this should still look really good in the water. This water is always kind of a little bit stained, so I don't think it'll really matter. I'm hoping. I don't want to jinx it. Here we go. This looks like a good one on this new swim bait. Oh, that's pretty good. There we go. I was worried the swim bait wasn't gonna work, but looks like it's gonna work. Yeah, nice. All right, guys, look at this guy. Getting close to a pound with this one now. It's a pretty good smallmouth. It's been a little while since we got one this big. Nice. Just a bunch of these in this creek. Still waiting for one that's close to 2 pounds. I don't know if we're gonna get one. Lots close to a pound, maybe some. Maybe the biggest one was 1.5 pounds. This one doesn't feel very big. Yeah, it's all right though. Okay, another smallmouth. We're getting to a lot close to these rapids up here. I don't even know what number that is. Freaking awesome. Oh my gosh, another one. Nothing big again. This is crazy. All right, another small guy, but they're all eating well. The numbers in this creek are insane. I mean, there's gotta be a massive one somewhere here. It's gotta be. Oh yeah, that's a good size. Oh, I saw this guy take it. Oh my gosh. Need my net for this one. Holy crap. This might be the biggest of the day. Come on, buddy. Holy crap. Biggest or second biggest? I think I saw this guy right at the beginning of the pool too. And then I got spooked him. All right, these big ones are what we're after. This one's 1.5 pounds, close to 2 pounds. Really, really nice. This is what I was hoping to get. So I think I got like 2 about this size today. That is just beautiful. Oh my gosh. He looks very healthy, and I don't know, I'm not seeing any catch marks on him. That's just awesome. Love that. In these small creeks. Yep. We got one, but I don't know how, I think it's a little one. Unless it's just swimming with the current. Yeah, just a little guy. He was really close to the rapids. Nice, look at that. He's got really cool colors. He's bleeding a little bit because it just went through his mouth, but he'll be good. All right, well, that's gonna be the end of this part 1 video here. So as you guys could see, it was a super productive day. Wasn't even expecting to catch that many fish. And like I said in the video, I just thought it was gonna be all big fish potentially and small numbers of those. But it turned out being an awesome day. So just like the title says, I caught 50 plus smallmouth that day. In this video, I think maybe I caught, I don't know, half that number, pretty close to that. But I'm gonna post a second part here in a few days so you guys can see that. So something I'm gonna mention in pretty much the end of every video that I make here until I hit this certain mark is that I'm going to do a little creek / maybe pond tackle box that's got a bunch of random lures in it that I use all the time in the creeks and ponds. I'll do like a giveaway where you make a comment or something and then somebody can win that box. So it'll just be a lot of like store-bought stuff that I use. Pretty much anybody can buy it, but it'll have value because you'll be getting it for free, and it's probably, I don't know, maybe I'll make it around like $50, something around that number. But when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do that giveaway, and it's getting really close right now. So once I hit that mark, I'm gonna show off the box and show what's in it, and just describe all the lures in there for you guys. So that'll be pretty cool to do, and I kind of will do some giveaways as I like get higher in the subscriber count. So I'll probably do it at like 1,000 subscribers after this. All right guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for part 2, and also stay tuned for more awesome creek fishing videos coming up. See you guys in the next one.